have returned from Glasgow after winning their medals. We're getting you those live visuals. The gold medals, remember, were hard to come by this time, but Indian shooters have nonetheless mostly been on target as they reaped a rich harvest of 17 medals in the Commonwealth Games this time round at Glasgow, with surprising exception of Olympic silver medalist Vijay Kumar and seasoned Hina Sidhu. Well, these are the two names that are doing rounds, Vijay Kumar and Hina Sidhu. These two people have made India proud. You can see on the screens also Gagan Narang there. Indian shooters bringing in the much needed medals in India's kitty. Remember, 17 of them won by Indian shooters. So there is this atmosphere of happiness. The people around are welcoming all the shooters, the athletes who have made India proud at Glasgow in Commonwealth Games, giving India 17 medals to be proud about. These are the shots from airports. These proud winners are returning back to their place, their home. My colleague Srijit, the sports correspondent, is joining us now for more on that. Srijit, take us through the kind of achievements these shooters have had. We believe 17 medals have been won by India there.
Absolute, a remarkable performance by the Indians in Glasgow, and especially one must give credit to the shooters who really, helped India to earn more medals. And in fact, Gagan Narang and Harpreet Singh, as you can see on your screens, that they are back with a bang, and they've been treated really well. And why not? Because Gagan Narang, to speak about, I mean, he's a bronze medalist, and that particular performance at Glasgow will be really being remembered. And also talking about his previous achievements, he's a silver bronze medalist, beg your pardon, in the Olympics 2012. And also to talk about the other athletes, other shooters. In fact, they also had a commanding performance, and still we Indians are really doing well in the Glasgow. And
absolutely,
to talk about,
yeah. Sure, Gagan Narang and Harpreet, they have really done well, but the exception were Vijay Kumar and Hina Sidhu. What went wrong?
Actually, on a given day, it's all about concentration and patience. I think somewhere around the corner, Pankaj was slightly looking, back, little back, because the conditions were not really good for Pankaj there. He was having some problems early, but really, still, one must give credit to the shooters. And to talk about the medal standings, right now, India is positioned 5th with 47 medals, and out of 13 gold medals, the shooters have contributed with 4 medals and 9 silver and 4 bronze.
All right, also, Sridhar, take us through the names of those shooters who've performed exceptionally well this time round, and something that was not expected, who've performed more than what they have been in the near past.
Actually, Sanjeev Rajput and Harpreet Singh, actually they were good, but a silver medal in Glasgow in Commonwealth game, it is really appreciable.
All right, Srijit, let's leave it at that. Thanks very much, in fact, for joining us with all those updates of beautiful visuals of shooters. We got you just a short while back, making India proud of their achievements. 17 medals, remember, go to the shooters. The kitty of India now flooded with medals on that front. Let's now